Hi, my name is Lena, and today I'll tell you everything you need to know about VertiAid before actually buying the product. I also have two really important alerts, so pay close attention to what I have to tell you. The first thing you need to know about VertiAid is be careful with the website you're going to buy from because VertiAid is only sold on the official website. To help you, I left the link to the official website down below in the description of this video. So what is VertiAid and does it actually work? The answer is yes. VertiAid has helped thousands of users who suffered from chronic dizziness, constant imbalance, and terrifying vertigo episodes, and it can absolutely work for you too. After many laboratory tests, researchers identified a natural formula with powerful ingredients like ginkgo biloba, magnesium, zinc, ginger root, and vitamin B6, and much more. These components work together to target the root cause of vertigo, inner ear dysfunction, and balance disorders, helping to relieve spinning sensations, nausea, brain fog, and that awful fear of falling. If you've ever stood up and felt the room spin, if you're scared to go outside because your legs feel like jelly, if you've been told it's just your age, this product is made for you. So yes, you can trust this product. There are many people having great results with VertiAid, and you can have results as well. However, you need to keep in mind that each body will react in a unique way. That's a little bit obvious, but I'm telling you this so that you are realistic about your treatment and expectations. There's something really important about this product that you need to know before buying it. You can actually test VertiAid for 60 days, and if you don't see results, if you don't feel safer, clearer, more stable, they will give you your money back. Also, for VertiAid to work, you need to take the treatment seriously. You need to take it every single day or else you won't see great results and you'll actually get a little frustrated. You can see initial improvements in the second month, but most people experience noticeable lasting results after 3 months using this product. Also important for you to know, VertiAid has no side effects since it is 100% natural. So I wanted to record this video first to tell you to be careful with the website you're going to buy VertiAid from, and also, if you do buy the product, do the exact treatment, take it seriously. Remember to keep in mind that your results will be very different from any other person because your organism acts in a very unique way. I really hope this video helped you, and I also hope that VertiAid actually helps you a lot to improve your life, just like it has improved the lives of thousands of people who no longer live in fear of their own balance.